Hello, this is Prince George Ford coming at you, and today we are looking at the 2026 Ford F-150 Tremor. Coming in this nice black coloring, this vehicle is going to be powered by a 3.5 liter V6 EcoBoost engine, has 4-wheel drive capabilities, and comes equipped with a mobile office package, bed utility package, and the tow and haul package. Taking a look at the back here, we got recovery hooks, tow hitch receiver, a dual exhaust with a backup camera, your Pro Access tailgate, and you do get a Bedliner with this vehicle with outlets and hooks and doodads to hold your gear down. You do get bed lighting in here, measurements on the gate. It is powered, so it will go up and down automatically. Mud flaps on the rear and front, the Tremor gripped running board, side view camera, blind spot detection, turn light spotlight indicated, and moving to the front real quick, we got front park sensing, recovery hooks, license plate bracket, block heater, front view camera, and that nice Ford grille. Taking a look in the back here, we can see this vehicle does see up to 5 pretty comfortably. We have this nice black and yellow leather interior, plenty of door space, upgraded sound system with floor mats, carpet interior, flat fold storage system. You got the Tremor logo stitched onto the leathering, cup holders and storage, rear vents, heated back seats, 2 USB-Cs, 120 volt. And of course you can fold that down for cup holders and arm space with a split folding rear bench seat. Taking a look at the driver's side now, we can see here we have a power driver seat with the same leather interior we saw in the back there. Plenty of door space up front, power folding mirrors, memory seating for up to 3 drivers. You have your power tailgate lights, spotlights, parking brake, pedal adjusters, all on your left hand side. Taking a look at the vehicle while it's running, we can see the odometer is sitting at 19 kilometers. We do get this nice leather-wrapped steering wheel. It's also heated. Toggle for your screen, phone and media, volume, voice, and cruise control. Looking at our main screen here, we do get my view, trip and fuel gauges, off-road, towing, status info, navigation, phone, audio, vehicle maintenance, and other settings. To my rear, we got our gear select that is collapsible, storage and cup holders, wireless charging with some outlets, and it does close. Got your center console that does turn into an interior work surface. Put your food, laptop, meal there, whatever you can think of. More storage down there with drive modes, rear locking diff, and 4-wheel drive, trailer brake, pro trailer assist, heated and cooling front seats with that heated steering wheel, dual climate, 12 volt and 120, storage above, below, and on the dash with Upfitter Switches, a nice powered rear window opener, as well as our features for our twin panel moonroof, which provides excellent lighting for the vehicle, garage door transmitter, auto stop auto start, trail control, and Ford's BlueCruise, which is Ford's highway self-driving, hazards and tractions with a nice 360 view of the vehicle. Looking here, you have your audio, which has AM, FM, Bluetooth, and Sirius XM. You also do get your phone, navigation, pretty easy to use, search recent and saved, and have your audio open at the same time. Fave apps such as messaging, email, Pro Power Onboard. Any apps you may download will show up right here with the Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, settings, and your features of the vehicle. If interested, the stock number for this vehicle is FA08214, and you can head on into PG Ford or give us a call.